Hello students, welcome to today's class. Today we will learn how to draw a Madhubani folk art. Okay, as you can see, I have a small notebook on which I am drawing. You can also use a drawing book or other bio sheet. For this you will require a pencil, eraser, a compass, fine linered pens, and for bold outline you will require calligraphy pens. Okay, if you don't have any of these pens, you can also use a simple black gel pen. So first, I have already drawn over here. You can see you all will choose the diameter of your wish according to your page, and then you will draw a circle with the help of compass. Okay, so I have already drawn. You all will draw again, then you all will increase the width, and again you all will draw another circle. This will be the outer line. After that, with the help of a scale, you will draw a straight line over here. Okay. So students, first we will draw the rim of this circle. Make sure you are drawing it on the line and it's clear. You will do it slowly so that the line does not go outside. Okay, now we will do the outer circle. Now we will do the outline for the rest of the drawing. First, we will do the stems. Then we will do the leaves. In order to avoid your drawing from getting messed up, you can use a paper below. Okay, now you see we have drawn the leaves. Now we will and then so you can see after doing the outlines, your art will look like this. Now we will take fine liner pen, black color. Okay. So I am using art line doodle pens for filling the inner designs. So you can simply use straight lines or symmetric patterns to fill these art. So I'm starting with simple lines. You can see I am drawing very fine lines. After this, you can change the patterns accordingly. You can use symmetric patterns as well as different circular patterns for filling. This is how you will be filling up the entire branch. Now you can see I have completed the main stem. Now we will move to the another stem. I am just drawing straight lines. You can see clearly. So this is how it is done. Now we will do the leaves. Just shade half of the leaf like this and leave the other half plain. See. Draw a line through the center and just draw vertical lines. Like this. Is it clear? Similarly, you will fill up the entire leaves. So now you see the tree is complete. Now we will fill this gap over here. You can use different kind of patterns. To fill in the designs. See, like this. Then you will draw a fine line like this. See, it has been done. Similarly, we will fill in this side as well. So students, you can see we have filled these gaps as well. Now we will do this part, the fish part. It's a fish. Color it up. Draw a small circle and then a bigger circle. Fill in this line with fine lines like this. Okay. Now I am using the bold part to draw the fins. We can do it like this. Then draw bigger lines. Then we will fill it. Okay? Just have to draw this way, diagonal lines. Okay? Then leave this one. Then again do it in the another one. Then again in the another one. This is how we will fill the entire pattern. So students, you can see this entire art is complete. Now we will just do a similar design over here in the rims of the circle. You can choose to draw any kind of pattern you wish to draw. So I am drawing this. One side this way and the other one opposite. Similarly, you will complete it by this pattern. So you can see I have completed the entire pattern. So now we have our Madhubani folk art complete. You all will also try this on your own. Thank you.